vistas.
Heart's Delight Islington is a charming town on the south side of Trinity Bay in Newfoundland and Labrador. This peaceful community was incorporated as a municipality in 1973, but its history goes back to the 18th century. Heart's Delight is a place where you can enjoy the tranquility of rural life while still being close to the services and amenities of St. John's, which is just 90 minutes away. There are a few stories about how Heart's Delight got its name. One story says that it was named by a traveler who found his Heart's Delight here in this beautiful cove. Another theory is that it, along with the nearby communities of Heart's Desire and Heart's Content, was named after fishing vessels that sailed these waters in the 17th and 18th centuries. The town was settled in the late 18th century, with the earliest record being the birth of Elizabeth Walfrey in 1785.
Thank you very much.
The first settler is believed to have been a man named Bryant. By 1836, the population had grown to 167, mostly Protestant dissenters with a couple of Roman Catholics. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Heart's Delight, Newfoundland.